Om Shanti class. Now we know about these identity 1, 2 and 3, that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. 1 plus tan squared theta equals to sec squared theta. 1 plus cot squared theta equals to cosec squared theta. Now today we'll make the use in proving the identities. Now there is a question there, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equals to 1 upon cosec square theta. Now just see to the left hand side. What is 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta means? It means it is 1 minus cos square theta. A plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square. Now what is 1 minus cos square theta? It is equals to sine square theta. Right? Okay. Now what is sine square theta? I want to change it to the cosec square theta. It will be 1 upon cosec square theta. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Clear to you? Now let's do the second one. Now cosec 4 theta minus cosec square theta equals to cot 4 theta plus cot square theta. How will I do it? Now again I'll take left hand side. Now you know what is common in both. Cosec square theta is common in both. What will come inside? It will come cosec square theta minus 1. Right. Now, what is cosec square theta minus 1? You know, if I bring 1 this side, it will be cot square theta. So, cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. I have explained you this yesterday. Right. Then, what is cosec square theta? You know, it is 1 plus cot square theta. We have to make use of those identities. So, when I'll multiply, it will come 1 into cot square theta will come to cot square theta plus cot square theta into cos square theta will come to cot 4 theta. So, LHS equals to RHS. Hence, it is proved. Now, let me take another example. Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Now, in this case, I can prove either the left hand side or the right hand side. Okay, I can take any one of the side there. So, let me take left hand side. It is sine theta. Now, you know how to rationalize the denominator. Right? It is 1 minus sin, cos theta. So, I'll multiply both with 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. I'm rationalizing the denominator. It is 1 minus, so I'll take it 1 plus. So, it will become sin theta, and when I'll multiply, that will be, okay, it will be 1 plus cos theta. What will be in the denominator? It will be 1 minus cos square theta. And what is 1 minus cos square theta? You know, it is sine square theta. Now one sine theta and one sine theta will cancel, and it is what? 1 upon sine theta plus cos theta upon sine theta. So it will come to cos theta plus cot theta. Beta 1 upon sine theta is cosec theta. So LHS coming equals to RHS. Is it clear to you? So we got the result now. Okay. Now let me do more examples for you. Now it is root 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. So let me take what left hand side. Again here, what am I going to do? I will rationalize the denominator. So what it is? It is 1 minus cos theta. Right? So I'll rationalize it with 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay class? Now what am I going to get? I'll get 1 plus cos theta whole square, and 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So what result will I get? I'll get 1 plus cos theta whole square upon sine square theta. I'm making use of those three identities only, right? Now, you know there is both are square and square, so the root will cancel with what will be my, what result will I get? I'll get 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta. So 1 upon sine theta plus cos theta upon sine theta. What will I get? I'll get cosec theta plus cot theta. Here again my left hand side is coming to right hand side. Hence proved. Right class? Okay then. Thank you class.